Hey, this week's adventures led us to the Gabriel Aquarium. It was very interactive, hands-on. I love the fact that they had microscopic marine life. You really don't get to experience that often. We saw a seahorse up close and personal. Interesting looking creatures. Turtle, turtle, turtle. Next, we have some type of immersive fish gallery. We found our way over to the children's section, which I enjoyed. There were more microscopic marine life. It was hands-on. They got to sift through sand to find the metals. They had example of sands from different parts of the world as well. We took a brief beach intermission. The beach is right across from the aquarium. Lastly, we participated in the release of grunions from their eggs. Definitely check out the museum if you get a chance.